staying sexy aside from proper diet and regular exercise? It's simple. It's Bigger Lighty. Bigger Lighty helps take away constipation. Senna Sexy, Bigger Lighty.
Senna is the generic name of Bigger Lighty. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa Senna Sexy, take Bigger Lighty. Available at Mercury Drug Stores.
We asked different people, why do you run?
It's stress relief.
You gotta stay fit. Adrenaline.
Feels good.
Keeps me focused. Push my limit. It's not enough to listen. You need to live it with Summit Natural Drinking Water. Hydrate with a natural taste and right amount of minerals so you can do more. Heart pumping. Muscles aching. Don't just let this run through your head. Get out and do it. Summit Natural Drinking Water. First, for more on the road trip, don't forget to take Summit Natural Drinking Water with you. It has that natural taste and right amount of minerals you need to do more. Never travel without it.
Oy, Beth! 5 a.m. tayo sa terminal sa Baguio, ha? Yung white flower, ha? Don't forget! Kita-kit!
Never run without it.
Bro, 3 a.m. ang gas start ng 21K, ha? Ako naman tayo sa white flower, tol.
Never go without it.
Pare, nilike ko yung post mo, ah. Nak, may dalang white flower. Yan! Yan ang pangalis ng headache ng barkada.
Feel good when you're out with your Feel Good partner. White Flower Embrocation, your Feel Good partner. Menthol, Crystal Menthol Salicylate Eucalyptus Oil is the generic name of White Flower. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Sa totoong buhay, hindi mo talaga alam kung kailan ka magkakasakit. Ako nga in my 40s, hindi ko akalain I would need heart surgery. Buti na lang I had a Film Life plan. Laking tulong sa gastos na di covered ng HMO.
Introducing Film Life Health Invest, a health and life insurance plan that takes care of you in sickness and in health. We understand real life. We'll help you plan for it. Anong plano mo? Usap tayo. Call 528-2000, visit FilmLife.com, or talk to your Film Life financial advisor about Health Invest now.
Hey, Stoplight shoppers! From September 8 to September 18, buy one take one regular cream dory for only 179 pesos per kilogram. Grab a copy of our Safe Big catalog for more offers. Only at Stoplight. For DTI SCED SCD permit number 3139, series of 2014. Stoplight is open daily from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Visit Stoplight now and enjoy the good life you can afford. Si Lelen Barbarate po ito ng pag-ibig. Mababa na, lalo pang pinababa. Interes sa housing loan para sa minimum wage earner, 4.5% na lang. Tulog buwan-buwan, mga 2,000 piso na lang. Ang regular housing loan naman, binabari ng 40%. Ngayon, 6.9% na lang. At pwedeng mag-loan hanggang 6 million pesos. At tunay na naman, sa pag-ibig ang pinaghirapan, may katuparan.
Tumawag sa 724-4244 para sa detalye.
Fresh breath, healthy gums, at maximum fluoride protection for half the price. Unique toothpaste. It's your toothpaste at your price.
Ayaw the research. How the 10 Filipinos cannot tell the difference between Unique and the leading brand. Kaya ng leading brand ang Unique na bibigay din ng maximum fluoride protection, fresh breath, at healthy gums at approved din ng Philippine Dental Association. Pero ang Unique up to 50% more affordable. Unique is your toothpaste at your price. Unique toothpaste, manufactured by BCS Manufacturing Corporation.
Harmony in the home? Electrolux makes it easy. I get the dust off the floor. Bring yummy smells. Bring out the freshness too. And watching never before. Finish clean, 'cause you can do much more. Find out the lighting on Electrolux days. Everyday moments are made delightful with Electrolux. Electrolux, thinking of you. Dining in luxury has never been this rewarding. Buda Bar Manila brings you yet another giveaway with a win on the Maserati promo. Spend 3,000 pesos on a single receipt on a la carte and 25,000 pesos on banquet events to get a chance to win a brand new Maserati Ghibli. Dine and drive in elegance, luxury, and style at Buda Bar Manila. For more inquiries, please contact 8566-859 and 8566-71 419 or visit www.budokanmanila.com. This promo runs from May 1, extended until January 30, 2015 per DTI NCR permit number A2-0336 series of 2014.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit at may malasakit. Ang Shield Bath Soap ay recommended ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Di biro maging nurse, dapat marunong sa sakit at marunong mag-alaga. Yung bang may malasakit, kaya pagdating sa baso, hanap ko tulad ko, lalo't may pamilya ko. Kaya ang gamit ko, Shield Bath Soap. Galit ito sa sakit, nagdulot ng germs. May antibacterial na pareho ng sa leading brand. At may malasakit sa skin dahil may Shea Butter Moisturizer. May malasakit din sa budget dahil super affordable. Kaya naman recommended ito ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Hey kids, lalong mas colorful, lalong sobra-sobra ang saya, lalong ang sarap-sarap magbalik eskwela kasi kasama nyo ang Fruity Pop. Kita-kita tayo sa school. Kitang-kita ang saya with Fruity Pop. Hi Tony, what's your secret to staying sexy aside from proper diet and regular exercise?
It's simple. It's Bigger Lychee. Bigger Lychee helps take away constipation. Send a sexy, Bigger Lychee.
Senna is the generic name of Bigger Lychee. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Want to know the secret to staying sexy? Take Bigger Lychee. It is 100% all natural with no side effects. Made with 75% fruits and 25% leaves. So para sa Senna Sexy, take Bigger Lychee. Now 25 years in the market. Available at Mercury Drug Stores.
Maalala ko, galit sa libre. Sama-sama tayo, magabot na.
Sama-sama nating isulong ang edukasyon ng kabataan dahil ang karunungan ang susi ng kaunlaran. Mga kabataan, laging magsipag. Kasama nyo ang V-Fresh sa inyong pagsisikap.
When it comes to healthcare, choose the one that is big on health. Coco Life Healthcare has a big number of accredited world-class hospitals, equipped with the latest medical facilities, big number of clinic partners, and top caliber physicians, trained to provide the best medical care. Coco Life Healthcare. We're big on health. Ang mga kulay na magkabrad, nasa sanib puweta para mabuo ang lahat. Tipong may tagakanta at may tagara. Yan ang nabibigay ng bagong Colt 45. Sanib puwersa tayo.
Lumalabas ang tunay na kapatiran pag nagsanib na ng puwersa. Ako po si Raymond Marasigan. Ako naman si Abra. Nagsanib puwersa sa bagong Colt 45.
Drink responsibly.
We give you a smooth blend